at the MPP leaders. Talk of law. Obianu a law student Akufo-Addo din onim. Why politics in Ghana? Unim Akufo-Addo din. Why politics in Ghana? Kofi Kunedu Apraku unim ni din. Kobobo NDC ebia de obetia any chachuchi kata. Ena Rollins because of sa fake revolution no be yemfanto. Enti Saudi we say Asiedu Nketia ene betimi aye party ni yati. Asiedu Nketia opese obeye president o. Munimu amekati we that statement no be make here na munim say no okun ditia ofusu ampofo no. I tell you eye gang no gang ditia John Dramani Mahama na sabi omo madwin wo form no de omuhu omo madwin wo form no omuhu sesi awa ma John Dramani Mahama abeye kontompofo sabi wa be mana beye nipahunu wo Ghana fo ani so because unim say I said look at any plan no afanti 2020 elections ni nyina kono she da bata ekiri kakra no asum John Dramani no abekasa na akwawe small boy o mu Samijamfi no abekasa no onu mu de watita ekiri kakra no abeto ayampia kakra no okọ edu be ha ye ko court no ye bisa na sem bia no ate no ho my lord I'm not the one who brought the case dem nam de baaye asam no nyam nam de baaye me de wa frɛ me dance ye keke na ese me ba and you shall sama Asiedu Nketia de betu dwa say in fact they couldn't collect the numbers now and so na John Dramani Mahama etimi free diplomat edi sabi police ni aye kura ye video evidence kwa kire na wa say papa ne career we wie nsa am akoni adunu we wie no because ono no wo presidential ambition. And the John Dramani Mahama, I said, you get here, review. And the Sam Crawford, my bar, one be petition who said, Sanko Jinano, they will pay for you. No? Don't follow them now. What dear, well, real, say, no bad, yes, and pana, or better, what, or better, Kunyanso, or Munyu, why, yappy. Oko position swap, a phonium, I fed dear, baby, I know I need that. So, per se, Kaubedia, the Antigana Mutu. Anye Ghana for us woni nia papa bi obi aye bi da ho papa na ye bi se bi nyansa kwan obi atwa to ofa so bi keke wo twen den nti fa asam ne court wo ko ye no nso se woni hwe na Asiedu Nketia tete wa musunsun wa once wa ba beka eventually wo se na mu court no pa se mukita asem pa nyansa sem wo mpa muni bi ana mo ko ye no timu ana wa kura John Dramani Mahama wo ka wo ko US forum bia se wo kan say wo ko ho just to calm down your supporters. That means una unim se muni hwe but Asiedu Nketia piapia and we won the election wo kasa ho once wa fere ebepem na once won timi mfra Akufo-Addo congratulate no but on 2012 there no 2012 no or frel after the court di kodidi 200 million cedis na da kan mu say udi kwa kodidi u kodidi ya omuto special udi kwa kodi omuto special no ayo ho say true asem ni ho and I've done my investigation me say Reverend Boatin say Reverend ye ka kire wo sa krife nyame som no fa ho kwadi mu bi truth be told Ghana for astofo no mo ka ho bi ena no ma papa Ghana for dodo na edi nse hunu o Ghana Reverend Boatin me ka kire wo pain se sa asem we wan fa nkokot na wo jane sa ade a okuja tokura ba out be ka se no obo ayanyini. I'm telling you so we say asem okuja to ka no obo enye no kura fa ne kokot aye only court ene betimi edi wa asema sa krifenya mesom no Bible ba bia nu e kire se wo de wo te wa na unu abebo wasum no wo hwe wasum enu twa ntroto so a yedin ba bia nkire sa enu nti na sabi wa ma yen so adwen ni nyansa a ye bie court no se asema ye ka no bete ho Osofo te ho sa asem we Mrs. One fan kokota me make campaign say sa na wote nti asem no fa kɔ na wa ya che won say ne samija vi wa tem down wa ba fom napo ha na ni kire ne kakra bi say samija vi has come down wo kasa wo dwe hu mienu because your friend wa himfie now ye bema mpanifo si bisa wano ne bisa obema wano ka asem bone na obema nko wura tokuro bone bia mu ayekobo waba so enti Northtown, is that what you voted for? That will be mram between Chantron yen Ngwasi Mramo. Masa 2024 Northtown people, constituent of Northtown, mo to abana, munhwe mutin. Na monso munwine echirima ho. Na pacho wasam no yenti ase. Omo mpanyida da look, mpanyifo se aboa wuram aboa, wa hunu ho so hwe. Na obefie piefie wia ema eyi omumbom ntuma ebo omumu e di jamo enti ko twa mansa kora wa hu so hwe no antena wurom amfa hu odasani wurom na obefie a ema yi omuntuma di jamo enti omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama we expect say as wabeye national asset no and can speech no ebeye national development enkoye for NDC yifo a omo de esebi omo pe akaka bensama tie no omo ho kwa na oye den obedwin nanka wo ka asem we no what we expected to hear from you some medical catch us say that man who speaks to you and advises you former president John Dramani Mahama bottle of ukona sa papa na da bia no okita flask enum ensu okroje bia yenimu nsusu ban no bottle of ukona by that time don't listen to that man. Sa flask na ekita papa bi na bottle of ukwa no obetufu no bottle of ukwa ubenya don't listen to that man because by then not sa flask no the woman na it is believed to be adefufuro bi a yenimu no na abane ni so enti ama wo kasa na ne kasa no ensisi so enti me de obenya nkatwe hu fi sa papa no ho so that obe kasa no be on point na fi yahu de opeso kire now say NDC for my PM say 2024 election is going to be about future things. You are deceiving yourselves. The 2024 election is going to be based on past achievement. You're basing on past achievement. And your past tense in the economy, and your future tense, and then your present. With the present tense, but my father say 80%, believe you me, is going to be past tense. I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I intend to do this. And yet I will do this because in Penifo say, Sebi, a janine to us when they come at once. I'm for the children to us. And the time man can Ubeka Sassy win, former president. Nanka Esa career, not their source to say. During NDC's time, from 2008 to 2016, we built 120 hospitals. 8 years. And the MPPs who 8 years. No more 120 hospitals, no more intimia. Then you got the moral right. You got the infantry to come and criticize. Say 111 ye. In any case, yes, a PO manifesto, the Nanado MPP, almost promising. But say, me catch you say, I come in fear 90 minutes. Answer fear 9 no be kwa wie no. Me sure boss say, tio. Me sure boss say, me si dan e de amount. Dan no ma sha si wani tua. Da me share dan no me sha se me si no ene ye kan say wo sha se dan no kro wo sha se mfi me nsani wo nwie. Enye da me share wo bo no. Because you and I know why a president is that. That is why you know Kasa from this angle say. Bosha amanyofo she nyina no mudiso. In fact, the flashy ones, you know, about 70 to 80% omuntimi ni so. They just say that to convince people and to gather votes. Entina fifi kwete. Ebeka kire 2000 say 2008 said, Omampanyi Kufo, Omampanyi that John Ajikun Kufo, His Excellency, Ghana gold reserve Nina Wafa. And so on what say can say what can some way we need as well was a political talk. This is what the NDC believes in. And in fact, the former president AY3KA said, yeah, was short memory. And he still thinks, say, Ghanaians still have short memory. But Nana Akufo-Addo, Adodankwa Ado, so boy at Roma, and then what be a kwana to us will be uncle school. Now they are who are short memory can go and prolong it. And for your information, former President John Dramani Mahama, we no longer have short memories. In fact, very deep and long one have we now because free SHS came for all. That is why you and the NDC decided to sabotage the application of free SHS.